Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to force web pages to load in dark mode on Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Opera GX settings, scroll down to the right sidebar to find Force dark pages option. Turn on this one toggle switch. Now visit any website and it should load in dark mode always. For instance, I have opened this one gearupwindows.com. You can try any web page such as Google. All will load in dark mode.